Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest gadgets on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadgets of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat X5. The Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat X5 represents a significant advancement in bathroom technology, combining comfort, hygiene, and smart functionality. This state-of-the-art bidet toilet seat offers a variety of features designed to enhance the user experience and promote cleanliness. Key features of the elongated bidet toilet seat X5 include: electric heated toilet seat. The X5 ensures comfort even during colder months with its electrically heated seat, providing a warm and pleasant seating experience. Bidet with dryer. This model includes an integrated dryer, eliminating the need for toilet paper and enhancing personal hygiene. Endless warm water. Unlike some bidet seats that may have limited warm water supply, the X5 offers a continuous flow of warm water, ensuring a comfortable and thorough cleansing experience. Pruetting function. This feature pre-wets the toilet bowl before use, which helps in maintaining cleanliness and reducing the chances of waste sticking to the bowl. Air purification. The built-in air purification system helps in eliminating unpleasant odors, ensuring a fresh and clean bathroom environment. Product 2. Product name: OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. The OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool designed to streamline the process of chopping vegetables. It is part of OXO's renowned Good Grips line, which focuses on creating user-friendly kitchen gadgets with ergonomic designs. This chopper features a sharp stainless steel blade that efficiently cuts through various vegetables, allowing for quick and consistent results. Its compact design includes a non-slip base, ensuring stability during use, and a convenient container to catch and measure the chopped produce. The chopper's easy-to-use operation makes it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced cooks seeking to simplify meal preparation. Additionally, the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper is known for its durability and ease of cleaning, further enhancing its appeal as a practical and reliable kitchen accessory. Product 3. Product name: Lighted Bathroom Mirror with Bluetooth Speaker. The 24x32 lighted bathroom mirror with Bluetooth speaker is a sophisticated and multifunctional addition to any modern bathroom. This smart LED vanity mirror offers a range of features designed to enhance both the functionality and ambience of the space. Key features: integrated Bluetooth speaker. The mirror comes with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing users to stream music, podcasts, or audio from their devices wirelessly. This feature adds a layer of entertainment and convenience, turning the bathroom into a personal relaxation zone. LED lighting. Equipped with smart LED lights, the mirror provides optimal illumination for grooming, makeup application, and other personal care routines. The LEDs offer 3 light settings, enabling users to adjust the brightness and color temperature to suit their needs and preferences. Anti-fog functionality. The mirror features an anti-fog mechanism that ensures a clear reflection even in steamy bathroom conditions. This functionality is especially useful during and after hot showers. Product 4. Product name: Electric Lunchbox for Adults. An electric lunchbox for adults offers a modern solution for individuals who need a convenient and efficient way to enjoy hot meals on the go. This specific model, with an 80W heating element, is designed to heat meals quickly and uniformly, ensuring that your food remains appetizing and ready to eat regardless of your location. Key features: versatile power options, 12V/24V compatibility, ideal for use in vehicles, whether it's a car or a truck, making it perfect for those who are constantly on the move or have jobs that require frequent travel. 110V compatibility, suitable for office environments or any standard electrical outlet, offering flexibility for various settings. Capacity. The lunchbox boasts a 1.5-liter capacity, which is ample space to hold a substantial meal, catering to adults with larger appetites or those who prefer to pack multiple food. Product 5. Product name: Levoit Air Purifier. The Levoit Air Purifier for home bedroom, specifically the Core 200S/Core 200S P model, is a highly efficient air purification device designed to enhance indoor air quality. This purifier stands out for its smart features and robust performance, making it suitable for bedrooms and other living spaces up to 916 square feet. Key features of this model include smart Wi-Fi and Alexa control. The Levoit Core 200S can be controlled via Wi-Fi and integrated with Alexa, allowing for hands-free operation and easy adjustments through voice commands or a mobile app. This smart functionality enables users to monitor and control the air purifier remotely, ensuring a seamless and convenient user experience. 3-in-1 filtration system. The air purifier utilizes a comprehensive 3-in-1 filter that includes a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. This combination effectively captures allergens, pollutants, smoke, dust, and other airborne particles, providing a thorough purification process. The true HEPA filter is particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies, as it can remove up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Coverage area. With the capacity to cover up to 916 square feet, the Levoit Core 200S is suitable for medium to large rooms, ensuring that a wide area can benefit from cleaner air. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and even small apartments. Product 6. Product name Dude Bombs Toilet Stank Eliminator. Dude Bombs Toilet Stank Eliminator is an innovative product designed to tackle unpleasant odors in the bathroom. This product comes in a convenient pack containing 40 pods, each formulated to eliminate stank and freshen the toilet bowl with a refreshing blend of natural scents. The 2-in-1 functionality ensures that not only are odors neutralized, but the toilet is also left with a clean and pleasant fragrance. The pods release a fresh scent that combines lavender, cedar, lime, and eucalyptus, offering a refreshing and invigorating aroma that helps maintain a pleasant bathroom environment. The easy-to-use pods are designed for quick and effective odor control, making them an essential addition to any bathroom cleaning routine. With Dude Bombs, users can enjoy a dual-action formula that addresses both immediate odor concerns and provides a continuous fresh scent, enhancing overall bathroom. Product 7. Product name Pekit Automatic Pet Feeder with Camera. The Pekit Automatic Pet Feeder with Camera is a versatile and high-tech solution for pet owners who want to ensure their cats and dogs are well-fed and monitored even when they are not at home. Here are the key features and benefits of this device. Key features: 1080p HD video with night vision. The feeder is equipped with a high-definition camera that provides clear and detailed video footage. Night vision capability ensures visibility even in low-light conditions, allowing owners to monitor their pets at any time of day or night. 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity. The feeder connects to Wi-Fi, enabling remote access and control via a smartphone app. Compatible with the widely used 2.4G frequency, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. Smart App Control. The Pekit app allows users to schedule feeding times, portion sizes, and receive notifications. The app provides real-time video streaming and two-way audio communication.